So to factorize this, I will take this as one set and this is another set. Clear? Okay, so take out x, you're left with y minus 4. Clear? Minus, whenever there's a minus sign, you have to be very careful. Okay. 12 and 3, you take out 3.
Yeah.
Left with 4 plus or minus.
Oh, minus y.
Okay, like that. Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus, because minus times minus give you plus. Yes. Clear?
Yeah.
So from here, right? Now I have a problem. This and this are not the same, right? I need to switch this to suit this fellow.
Yeah.
So now I will copy this whole set down. I want to change this into y minus 4, right?
Yeah.
So switch it is minus sign. Minus plus. Just now that minus is plus now.
Oh.
Okay, so now from here you know what to do?
Yeah.
Factorize y minus 4. This is common. And then x plus 3. Any question? So if you were to compare the previous answer, you see? If you reshuffle it this way, then the sum becomes much easier.